How was school? Okay, no. Okay, just walk. No, you gotta walk. Let's go. No, walk. You can't walk backwards. Come on. Okay, you gotta walk straight now. You gotta walk straight. I'm gonna I'm gonna take a picture of you walking up the ramp, okay, by yourself. There we go. Go. Keep on going. Yeah. Oh, and then we show mom that you walk by yourself. Okay, keep on going. Keep on going. You have a baby brother today. Okay.